Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this super cute little capybara together. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. Connect 4 golden brown pipe cleaners, then wrap them around a pen like this. Thread a pipe cleaner through the center, pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Fold the wire end inward, then adjust the shape. Connect 3 brown pipe cleaners, then wrap them around a pen. Pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Thread it through the center like this, apply glue, then secure it in place. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Fold the wire end inward. Bend a brown pipe cleaner. Cut a 1 cm piece to make an ear. Make 2 ears, then glue them in place. Next, roll a brown pipe cleaner into a flat circle. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Apply glue and attach it to the center of the face. Then carefully cinch away the fibers on a brown pipe cleaner. Use it to make the eyes and mouth, then glue them in place. Next, fold a 2 cm piece of brown pipe cleaner and roll it up. Wrap some golden brown pipe cleaner around it to make the arms. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Make 2 arms, then glue them in place. Then roll a pipe cleaner into a circle. Make a smaller flat circle using dark brown pipe cleaner. Trim off the excess, then glue the dark brown piece on to make the foot. Make 2 feet like this, then glue them in place. Shape a red pipe cleaner into a heart. Trim off the excess, then adjust the shape until it looks even. Glue the heart onto the chest. Add a little blush. And our little capybara is finished. So cute, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more new videos. See you in the next video.